Calling all busy moms, are you ready to embark on an entrepreneurial journey with a business that fits your life? Hey there, super moms! Pagod ka na ba sa parang wala nang hangganang responsibilidad at feeling mo wala ka ng sapat na oras para ilaan sa sarili mo? Mami, panahon na siguro na ikaw ay magnegosyo at kumita na hindi nakukompromiso ang pagiging ina at asawa. Sa tamang pagnenegosyo, you can have the flexibility to be present for your family's special moments while pursuing your professional dreams. Samahan mo ako sa nakaka-excite na journey kung saan magagawa mo lahat. Come to think of it, a thriving business and quality time with your loved ones. Ang gaan lang sa pakiramdam na mayroon kang sariling successful na business that fits around your mom duties, giving you the freedom and financial independence na deserve mo at ang pamilya mo. Nandito ako para sabihin sa'yo na yan ay posible. This morning, I made a good breakfast for my kids and nag-declutter na rin ako sa loob ng bahay. But kahit gaano man ako kabisi, I know that my business is running behind the scenes. So mga mamsis, it's all about finding the right balance and creating a life that aligns with a motherhood journey. If you are a busy mom na kagaya ko and ready to take control of your destiny, why not build a business that adapts to your unique lifestyle and cherish these precious moments with your children? And then, mag-connect tayo mga mamsis. So, tara na mga mamsis. Start na rin kayo ng business. Suportahan natin ang isa't isa at magtulungan sa napakagandang adventure ng business na ito while